What if I told you that ChatGPT could help run your Etsy shop and save you thousands of dollars per month? I'll even give you prompts that you can plug into ChatGPT and they will do 90% of the work for you. And this works whether you do digital, print on demand, handmade, sourced, or hand-picked. The first way we will use ChatGPT is through trend forecasting. What we're gonna do is discover trending aesthetics, holidays, and pop culture kind of crossovers that your specific customers will be looking for on Etsy. So the prompt that we are going to use is act as an Etsy product strategist based on 2025 trends, Pinterest searches, TikTok aesthetics, and Instagram aesthetics. Give me 10 product ideas that serve my profitable customer that combine 2 of these trends or more. And the key is we have already fed ChatGPT who our profitable customer is, so you will get customized results specifically tailored to your customer. And the estimated savings of this is $750 per month. The second thing we're gonna do is transfer our listings from Etsy over to other platforms like Shopify or Faire. So it will take your Etsy listing content, clean up the format, plug it into the format that is optimal for the other platforms. So the prompt you're going to use is this: reformat this Etsy product listing for Shopify. Make sure it is fully optimized for the Shopify platform. You could plug in Faire or another platform as well. And the estimated savings for this is $600 to $800 per month. All right, the third thing we're going to use ChatGPT for is all about driving external traffic long-term. And this is through blogs that will plug backlinks into. So we will have ChatGPT write blogs to drive traffic and really build in backlinks that go to your product listings. An example prompt you can use is this: write a 1,000-word blog post titled 10 Unique Bridesmaid Gifts That Aren't Boring with backlinks to these Etsy product URLs. And then you'll put in your different links. Write in a fun, modern tone for millennial women. And you can do this as many times as you want per month and create as many articles as you want. And this would save you an estimate of over $1,000 per month. The fourth thing we will use ChatGPT for is researching Facebook groups and Quora threads for promoting your products. So basically, we're going to find and organize niche Facebook groups and really customer-centric groups, and then Quora discussions and threads. These will be threads where your ideal buyers are very active. So the prompt you're going to use is list 25 active Facebook groups and 10 recent Quora threads where I can engage or promote these specific products from my Etsy shop that sells X, Y, and Z. Include group links, member count, and posting guidelines for each one. This is gold. You guys, this could save you an estimate of $500 per month, but that is a low estimate. The fifth thing you'll use ChatGPT for is hiring templates. This means job descriptions, contracts, offer letters, and you'll use it to create professional hiring systems to bring on VAs, designers, or even assistants. It'll make you much more confident in hiring and building your team if you're not experienced in this. So the prompt you'll use for a job post, for example, would be this: write a job post for a Pinterest VA who understands Etsy products and has experience scheduling pins with Tailwind. And if you know me, you know that Tailwind is not even part of our Pinterest strategy. However, a good way to find someone who is experienced in Pinterest is to find someone who has used Tailwind before. Let's say you want to do a job offer via email. Then you would use this prompt: write a job offer email for a part-time virtual assistant. Include this rate, this role or title, these expectations, and onboarding timeline. Now, let's say you want to have someone sign a simple NDA or contract, which I always recommend no matter how part-time the person is. You would use this prompt: write a simple, friendly NDA and freelance agreement for a content VA working 10 hours a week at this rate. And the estimated savings of using ChatGPT for all of these hiring needs and systems is a minimum of $500 to $700 per month. At this point, it can practically be your full HR team. And the sixth way is to build a custom GPT assistant for your shop. So custom GPTs we've been building for our company, and they've been so useful. And you'll use this custom GPT to train any team members on your shop policies, your products, your tone, your responses that you would have to customers. And a good prompt that you can put in here would be: here's a list of FAQs and shop policies for my Etsy shop. Memorize this and act as an internal team assistant that can help me respond to customer questions friends, train new hires, and recommend replies for messages. And you'll do that all inside a ChatGPT custom GPT builder. An estimated savings of this is $600 a month minimum. And now the seventh way we want to use ChatGPT is product content creation. So I'm talking about quotes, prompts, layouts, and we'll be generating bulk content for our products like sayings. And you could put these sayings on t-shirts or other print-on-demand products, or maybe you could even use ChatGPT to create prompts that you will integrate into digital products. For example, you could use this prompt: give me 100 self-care journaling prompts for women in their 30s. Make them modern, reflective, and wellness focused. I'm using these in a digital planner on Etsy. Or you could say, give me 50 funny fall-themed quotes for print-on-demand mugs or sweatshirts. Keep them clever but PG. And the estimated savings of this is $500 to $700 per month. So let's add these estimated savings up. Trend forecasting and ideation, $750. A multi-platform listing transfer, $600 to $800. Blog writing, $1,000. Group or forum research for spreading your links, $500. Hiring templates and contracts, $500 to $700. A custom GPT assistant, $600. Product copy generation, $500 to $700, and the total value of this using ChatGPT is between $4,450 and $5,550. That is the value of everything I took you through today that you can be using ChatGPT for. Now, imagine doing all of this on your own, feeling really spread thin. If you are ready to scale your shop, definitely check out my advanced seller workshop, where I will be showing you how to scale your business in a serious way without spending a lot of money on team members and overhead. Check it out. I think you'll love it.